Hi folks, today we're going to talk about the greatest upcoming event in the Forsage community, the launch of the first NFT collection. Watch this video to find out what the NFT collection looks like and who is the main character, how many NFTs are out there and what makes them different, how to mint a free NFT, what is an NFT box, what are the advantages of an NFT, when is the release. Let's move on. The main character of the collection is our community's all-time mascot, the one and only gorgeous Puma. Each unique NFT is based in the ERC-721 Smart Chain blockchain format. Each Puma has a different set of attributes. Some attributes are rarer than others. The total of attributes determines the rarity of each NFT: common, uncommon, rare, epic, and the rarest, legendary. Each NFT will have a unique look. A total of 99 million variations are created. Indeed, no duplication or exact copies are possible. How to mint NFTs from the collection for free? It's easy. If you have a Forsage BUSD account and at least one additional level activated, you are entitled to one random free NFT with the common rarity level. The NFT box is another way to get NFTs, but more rare ones. Diamond Box, Sapphire Box, and Pearl Box allow you to mint rare NFTs which are awarded at random. NFTs will be a tool in future Forsage products. NFT with uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary rarity will give its owner a special priority access. Next year, we'll see an NFT marketplace where users will sell and buy NFTs, as well as bid in auctions. This truly epic event will last exactly 3 weeks. That's how much time everyone has to mint their NFTs. The start date will be announced in the official Forsage Telegram channel. Check the link in the description box down below. Get ready for the event. Go to busd.forsage.io to register and activate at least one more level.